It's enjoyable when you do some testing. In this lesson, we will have some fun doing that. I have already prepared a table with some items in it showing item, quantities in kgs, kilograms, price, and total. Below I have added how much money I have to do some shopping. And this is the only cash I have. I cannot spend any extra cent. We have kiwi, avocado, peach, and apple. With price per kg. So I want to get to a combination that will ensure spending no more than 50 and having purchased from all items. Let's try doing this. I will add 2 for kiwi, 2 for avocado, 2 for peach, and 1 for apple. I might get the right combination and I might not. For that, Microsoft created a tool called GoalSeek. This tool will relieve you from the headache of trying combination. First, choose the cell you want to change its value. This cell value is the goal we are seeking by changing other cell value. It might seem unclear now, but go to Data tab, then click on What If Analysis, GoalSeek. I want to set cell E8, this is E8, to a value of 50. By changing any of these cells, I have to choose only one. Let's say I don't like avocado that much. Okay, and I will press OK. If you notice, cell E8 changed its color format, and that was according to its value. Now this is because it's conditionally formatted, and you will learn how to do this in this course.